Good morning, guys. We made it over here to Knott's Farm for MonteZOOMa's Revenge. And
It's
we're
open.
super excited. Yeah, finally, I opened up a few days ago. It just opened, which was super exciting. But we finally made our way over here, and we're super excited to get on it. So, you ready? Can you take our ride on it?
I'm ready.
All right,
Let's do it.
Every drop's a reminder that I'm stronger today. Twists and turns hit hard, but I'm learning how to deal. I'm living for the ride. Thrills without the pills.
Alright guys, so we are in line right now for the MonteZOOMa's. No fast lane on this one because he said it's a new ride. But it's only going to be like about, what, 20-30 minute wait it looks like. So we're not going to be waiting that long. But I'm kind of excited to get on it. I don't know.
I'm excited to get on it. I've talked a lot of crap already. But I've decided that whatever it is, it's a Knott's ride. We'll love it either way. It's really cutely themed. I'll say that so far.
Yeah, it really is. And then it's good to see something so old be like remastered into something. Look, you can hear it. Hold on. Can you hear it?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's super cool. But yeah, to be like remastered into something different and modern. You know, they opened, I believe, in 1976 or 8 or something like that. And then, you know, it came with the flywheel launch, and then they remastered it here. It only took 4 years to put LSMs in it, but you know, that's all right.
She is loud.
Wow.
She's loud.
She's loud for sure, but I'm super excited to get on it. Either way, I'm seeing how the changes and see to feel that punch of the LSM, so I'm ready to get on it. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to get on it.
All right, let's do it. Okay guys, we just got our first ride on the new MonteZOOMa's, the Forbidden Fortress. And you know what? That little thing surprised me.
I was surprised.
I loved it. The forces you feel on that backwards launch through the loop. You can feel the little forces on that loop.
You know what? Honestly, I was telling her that's the most force I've actually felt through a loop in a really long time.
Yeah.
I went to go hands up and it immediately shoved them back down.
Yeah.
The launch is not crazy powerful, but it's good enough. I really liked it.
I liked it. It does kind of remind you of that classic feel that the old MonteZOOMa's gave you back in the day. So I'm kind of excited about that and happy about that.
Yes.
But either way, thumbs up on the new MonteZOOMa's Forbidden Fortress.
Restraints.
Yeah.
We got to talk about the
The
restraints.
restraints didn't bother me.
They're not bad. You know,
bother me.
the straps, they can adjust them for you. And then the lap bar, actually, I had all kinds of room in it. So bigger girls, you got it. You're good. I gave MonteZOOMa's Forbidden Fortress. I had to look at it. I want to call it Revenge. MonteZOOMa's Forbidden Fortress. I give it a thumbs up as well. I'm surprised.
Double thumbs up to it.
Yay!
So I'm not sure where we're gonna head to next right now, but either way, I'm ready to get our day started and have some fun. You ready, Les?
Yes. Let's do it.
Alrighty guys, we made it over here to some Silver Bullet. That's gonna be our next ride. We always love Silver Bullet. Silver Bullet's one of our favorites. I enjoy myself every time
I
I
always
get on
love,
it.
you know, Silver Bullet's one of my number ones in the park.
Oh
I
yeah.
love it.
Now helix at the end, always feel like it's ripping your legs off. I love it. It's fun. But either way, let's go ahead and hop on our Silver Bullet. Let's do it. Okay guys, we just got our ride on Silver Bullet, and we can never go wrong with some Silver Bullet. I actually grayed out on Silver Bullet. I haven't grayed out on Silver Bullet in a very long time. Through the Cobra roll, like the second, like the end of it, going down where they take your picture, that's where I grayed out.
You know what? It was pretty aggressive today, and today I finally was like, there's one click that's too tight, and they normally do it. And today I was like, you know what? Does it need to be that tight? And it makes like a whole row unlock. I hate doing it, but I got my ride on Silver Duel today. It was really good. It was really smooth today too.
It was smooth,
actually.
fast, aggressive. Great ride today on Silver Bullet. But right now I think we're gonna go grab some lunch and kind of work our way from there. Okay, ready?
Sounds good.
All right, let's do it. Stacy said she could do it in one try. One try, she said. No.
Rigor mortis, guys.
All right, let me try.
You have to go around it like that. Oh, probably nowhere near it. It looks like on my side that it is. Let's see how she does. Let's see.
Can't go worse than the basketball.
I feel like you have to swing it around it and hook that way. Yeah, exactly like that. Yeah, oh, you almost had that. Wow. Like a circle. There you go, love. You almost had it. There it is. Oh.
Alright, so right now we're heading over to the Crafty Chicken right now to see, you know, what's up going on in there. But we already ate already. We already had some panda. But we wanted to take you guys over there to see what they have. So let's do it. Alright guys, we have the hand-breaded tenders, wings, fresh biscuit sandwich, the brochet sandwich. I don't think you can get anything from the meal plan on here. Yeah, nothing on the meal plan. But there's your options right there. Let's see, hold on. Alright, and then you got some shakes you can get. Let's see, a boysenberry pie shake, a chocolate shake, and a vanilla shake. Moxie and, what is it? Brownies shakes. There we go. Those are your options. Look how cute the little outfits are. Super cute. Alright guys, we're heading over here to some Ghost Rider. The best part of our trips to Knott's Berry Farm is Ghost Rider. I love Ghost Rider. It's my favorite. It's my favorite in the park for sure.
It is our favorite. You know, I was just saying, Accelerator would be my number one if it had maybe like one more element. And Accelerator being down these last couple times we've come, devastating. I hope they never, ever get rid of Accelerator. That's all I have to say.
That's some, you know, wishful thinking. You know, I would hope so. But these hydraulic launches, it's high maintenance for sure.
Long live Accelerator.
Yeah, long live. I agree though. I hope they never get rid of it. But you know, unfortunately, it probably won't last forever. But either way, we're gonna go ahead and take our ride on some Ghost Rider. Ready, Liz?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. Let's go. got our ride on some Ghost Rider, and it was running amazing. I love riding Ghost Rider on summer days just because that thing hauls some ass. It really does. It really does. I mean, the airtime you get on it, I mean, it's just an amazing ride.
It really is good. It really is good. There's a couple parts on Ghost Rider where you get, I've never really felt it on any other coaster. It's like a hesitation float. Where you're like,
yeah.
And there's nothing, I've never felt that on anything else. It was
Yeah.
good today. It was very smooth. It's summertime's the time for Ghost Rider.
Oh,
I think.
absolutely. You got to ride a Ghost Rider during the summer, especially summer at night.
Back
I
row.
mean, the last time that we rode it was like last week sometime. It was like late at night. We rode it. Oh my God, amazing ride, amazing ride. I mean, you can't go wrong with Ghost Rider. I can go on with Ghost Rider. But either way, guys, you know, thank you guys so much for following along. You know, we always appreciate you guys. We just enjoy life just in general today, and the life of recovery. You know, we got to go to breakfast this morning with a bunch of other women in recovery. And that's always an amazing time just to sit around and listen to other, you know, women speak of their recovery, especially women that have years beyond yours.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lady that has 22 years. You know, there's my sponsor has a few years as well. You know, us, we have 2.5 years almost, and you got somebody with 77 days. And those are the ones that really need it the most, are those newcomers, the ones that really need to hear the word. They sit around the table with these women with years, and they need it. They need to hear it, you know. And it's really, you know, it makes me feel good that I can, you know, be that somebody for somebody else, because I was in that position before, you know.
You know, one of the most beautiful things about recovery that she probably doesn't know is I got just as much out of my conversation with her today as she got from me. You know, coming into this program, you're one of the most important people in the room, and I believe that wholeheartedly, because what purpose do we have if it's not for the person that's just coming in?
Exactly.
You know, bye. You know, what purpose do we have? And to be somebody today that can give advice, that's crazy. You
Yeah,
know, we brought up theme parks, and she got excited, and it was just a really, like, I felt fed this morning.
Oh, yeah,
you know,
absolutely.
I started my day with just an awakening and just feeling loved and accepted and a part of. And I think that's all anybody wants in life. And I felt that not that way for just so long, you know, and it took going through all we went through and then getting clean to find that, you know?
Yeah, but it's just like she said, it's just so amazing to be able to, just to feel like that you could help people out there, right? Like it's just exhilarating almost, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And just, I just love hearing other women speak in recovery. Like if you go to a women's meetings, if you're a woman, go to a women's meeting, and they're always amazing.
They are
I
always
love
good.
going to, because they get good. We get real with each other. That's the thing, is women get real deep, and women get real with each other. Whether they need to hear it, they don't like to hear it, we're real.
Yeah.
You know, especially women in recovery, they don't beat around the bush. You know what I mean? But either way, guys, you know, thank you so much for following along. Keep following. There's so many more, you know, journeys to go on. This is just the beginning. You know, there really is just the beginning, you know. And, you know, as always, guys, you know, we love you and we care for you. And it's the thrills without the pills. Mwah.
Life's a crazy coaster, thrills without the pills.